How to save battery while playing Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll give you some of the battery saving tips that you can use while playing Fortnite, especially if you are playing on your device battery and you don't have your laptop or your device plugged in. So let me begin. So the first thing that we're going to do is configure some of the graphic settings, which you can do so by clicking onto your profile picture and then clicking onto the setting gear icon. Now within this you can see the graphics option. So from here you can try reducing brightness until a perfect level. So not keeping it too much will save some battery. Apart from that you can also use less graphics like low textures and low texture quality and meshes as well, and then the main setting starts within this particular game option. So within the game option, simply scroll down towards the bottom and you will see the energy saving tab right here, and from here you can see the activate sleep mode after 15 minutes. So this means that after 15 minutes of inactivity your game will go in the sleep mode. And apart from that you also have this enable idle energy saving. So this is basically the front end part of this. So enables energy saving when the game goes into idle mode in the front end. Idle mode starts after 30 seconds of inactivity. So you can make sure that you turn this on. And apart from that, we also have the inactive window energy saving. So enabling this will make sure that the game goes to energy saving when the game window is not on the active window. So you can also turn this on as well if you would like. So these were some of the tips that you can utilize to conserve energy and also save on battery while playing Fortnite. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.